Hi guys, and welcome back. This is version 2 of the DIY RC glider. Now this project is a project I did about a year ago. What I did was I took a styrofoam chuck glider and converted it into RC. Now you may notice some changes. The most noticeable change from last year's version was I had the motor pod, a power pod, right on top of the fuselage. The power pod was only connected to the fuselage by 4 barbecue skewers. Needless to say, it broke off many times. So, for this version, I shaved the nose off and put a motor in the front nose. Then, I put the ESC and just taped it right here. It gets a lot of cooling this way. The rear part is very similar to what I did last year. It's the same Spectrum receiver, the same servo setup. Last year I had 2 5-gram servos here, but I changed them to 9-gram servos for this year. I got new pieces of foam board for the control surfaces, just because the old ones were delaminating and getting very worn out. I changed the dual elevator setup to an Elevon setup, so that on turns, it would not only do this, but it would do this, making the turn way better. Because I noticed that it wouldn't turn that well with just the rudder. Alright guys, I'm really excited to share this with you. Let's go fly. So, changes from last time you saw this airplane fly. I now have bomb drops. Okay, release. 3, 2, 1. Alright, do another pass. Okay, release. In 3, 2, 1. Well, we've dropped several things from this aircraft already, but I decided we're going to use some close air support and drop a couple of AGM-65 Maverick air-to-ground missiles from this airplane. Alright, we're going to try and drop these light choppers from the bottom wing. It's only on one side because I've been having some problems with the left side, so we're only doing it from the right side. Hopefully this works. That did not end well at all. So I was trying to get this last one off and I kind of crashed on this bar for the carrier net landing. First time this has ever happened. And that broke my airplane in half. So it was such a good flying airplane too. I got to drop it and show you guys what it could do. Kind of bummed about it because it was flying so well. I was having problems earlier with it rolling left and now it's just, yeah, it's broken. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one with another plane.